I didn't think orthopedic shoes would help, but I stand corrected. All right, what's up, Flocking Model Railroaders? Thank you to my subscribers, and welcome all my new subscribers. Please leave a thumbs up and a comment below. This is my official entry into the JacJac scratch build contest. I guess it's a scratch build, kit bash, whatever it is, for October 2021. So let's hit the bench and I'll show you and JacJac what I'm going to do. All right, so first things first, let's give you the time stamp. This is September 30th, about 4:33 in the afternoon. So the kit I'm going to use, and we'll open this momentarily. This is unopened. This is a DPM kit. This is the Freight Depot. So we'll get into that in a minute here. But some of the materials that I'm going to be using: metal. This is just some metal rods, bars. Definitely not modeling material. It came from an enterprise, from an estate. So I don't know what it was used for. Paper. I've got some cardboard or some construction paper here that I'm going to be using. My plastic is coming from some for sale signs. I've got a COVID sign here as well. Definitely no evergreen styrene or stuff like that. And then I've got a cornflakes box for my cardboard. So let me get this stuff out of the way here, and we'll look at the Freight Depot. And I have my notes here, what I'm going to do with the Freight Depot. We'll talk about that too. I really think I'm going to turn this into a warehouse by making it two-story. This has a lot of cool detail. Let's get it open quick with a small pair of scissors. I like the detail that's on this. Lots of brick. So that'll be interesting, especially if I want to try to add another story to it. The second story may not end up being brick. Not sure what these are for, but some little pieces of plastic that came with the kit. There's another piece. So it's kind of like styrene. I guess I'm allowed to use that because it came with the kit. The chimney, all the walls. Instructions. Looks like some other pieces of the kit as well. I guess I'm allowed to use these because they came with the kit. Again, instructions are unclear. There's the glass for the windows. Glazing, I guess you call it. And lots of assembly instructions, which is good. So those are that's my kit, my materials. My plan is to make it a two-story with some different kind of roofs, and that's it. We'll go from there. Thank you, and I'll see you at the next stop.